Hello Earth, welcome to episode 21 of season 2 of Making Cell, a series of videos where I record myself designing and implementing a programming environment called Cell. If you're just tuning in, I recommend you go to github.com, autocodernl/cell. Link is in the description. So we are going to continue where we left off by starting this server. Alright. Okay, now we're back. And what I will do, City Computer Ocean is a good one. So we had we were like basically hiding and showing things, and it's all in this expand thing. So basically what I want to do is a bunch of things that I wrote here, a bit of housekeeping, so to speak. Housekeeping, and then we can move on to actually building the actual language, at least a part of it. But let's just get this part first. So we have the actual cell here with the data. Expand. Yeah, so if I will remove, let's say, one of these, already this one is, yeah, exactly. So if expand is undefined, do not fold any paths. Okay. What does that even mean? It means that expanded nice. So we can just basically make it so that if expanded is not an array, but how do I pass expanded here? Data grid. Honestly, the data grid should just get expanded from the context, right? Yeah. I'm not a functional programmer, but that makes sense. What was it? Am I recording? Yes. Typical millennial thing. Apparently, to doubt whether you're being or you're recording yourself or not. I'm very bothered by this path2.js returning an object when there's really nothing, and I'm actually going to change that. And I think that won't break anything. Do I even have tests for this? Yeah, I'm expecting nothing here. Okay, test will pass. There, I fix it. This needs to be fixed. Sorry, I'm running a cold still. Okay, I have the expanded here. Expanded, yeah, exactly. So if we do this already, it breaks everything. Nice. 213. What is your problem? Yeah, of course. So, worst path. I am lost in my own museum yet again. What was it? The query path and the context path. Honestly, I even forgot. I mean, I kind of remember what they are, but vaguely. Yeah. The context is like the prefix, I think. And I call this function, what was path? But I'm doing the whole thing, right? No, I'm passing, I guess. Yes, the root path, so my query is 0 basically. Okay, I think I kind of get it. So here I'm just gonna do this. Yeah. Yeah, data space is not defined. Okay, now what? Really, did I break everything with that? Yeah. No, I'm an idiot because we need to tell you when to make it shorter or not. Sorry. Like none of this should be fault. If not fault, this one was here. Yeah, okay, so yeah, I'm starting to get annoyed with that part of the code, this one here. Because I'm iterating the dialog, right? So if it is an array, it's a list of paths, yes. Otherwise it's text. So where's the split? Where's it undefined? There's no entry. guess if there's no entry, boom, something like that. Okay, I guess when it was loading, I changed something. I think when I did that path to JS, by not making it an object, it broke, something like that. Now, okay, now everything's folded. Yeah. And now it's gonna fold them. Yes, all right. Wow, that's weird there. All right, so now we have this. So what do I want to do? I want to fold everything that has more than length 1. Yeah, if expand is undefined, do not fold any paths. Perfect, we did this. Fold, not expand. Area for protected prefixes. So basically that you cannot overwrite expand. For now, I think we can leave it for later, honestly. That will come with validations, I think. Yes. Do not fold short paths. That's a good one. So how do we do that? That takes a little brain. A little brain. A little off brain. Yeah. So here when I'm folding paths, look at that. I can just do the count here. I have the leftmost path. Or leftmost path. When would this be the case? That leftmost of path 0 is not there at all. Because I used to delete them, right? When I put it. Yeah. If leftmost path 0, that's equal to 3, return folder paths push path. Yeah, I think this will work. Or not. I guess I have to do this, of course. I want to do this. Why is that not? Yeah. So what's your problem? I had to do it like that, of course. My God, sorry. Yeah, I'm definitely Not 100%. Yeah, perfect. Okay, why does it do that? Ah, yeah, because I'm in the... I guess I should make it more reactive there. So if I remove the expands here, I love that I can just do that. Well, technically I should. What now? It's not a function. What is expanded? Why is it an object? That makes no sense. Zero sense. Why is this not? Ah, because this one comes after the D. Okay, I get it. Uppercase comes after lowercase. I had forgotten, but now I remember. Nice. Look at that. It almost feels like we're doing something useful. So, if expanded is not there, why is it an object? That makes zero sense. Let's close that. So, expanded. How can you ever be that? Ah, I think I'm getting everything right. I should be the other way around. Whoops, really? Yeah, that was it. I'm losing it. Okay, good. Oh, I need to make that reactive. I am sick of that. What was it? Just give me a sec. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So, hi. What was it? How can I put a native event listener on window resize? Yeah, perfect. So I'm just gonna do we can just make a change event to the data space. I think something like that. That didn't work. No, it didn't work. How can I? Yeah, of course. There's no X. That's why it failed. Look at that. It resized, right? Yes. Nice. All right. That's good. That's great. So it's all compressed here. And look at this one, how it's shown. Yeah, perfect. So I need to change the music. Back to where we were. and then I need to be able to compact them as well, right? Where was it? Yeah, this one. Because I'm pushing something there, yeah. So when I show it, so basically, if we can do it like this, if there's nothing, don't do anything. If it's included in the expanded, I need a way to basically push things to contract whatever is already there with a click. But do I really need that? So this is done. For long paths, I think what I meant is like, yeah, to shrink it. Okay, let's do it. So if it's expanded, I want to put an object at the end. I know how we can do it. If deleted, this is a folded path. Actually, instead of deleting them, why don't I just decrement them, right? Yeah, I can decrement them. If expanded, and expanded includes, so expanded is always going to be something. And I'm inside the fold thing, exactly. So if expanded includes, something like max when folded is 3. So if expanded includes this path, we push it, but we also do leftmost path 0 minus minus, we decrement it. And then if this is the last one, if leftmost path 0 equals 0, this is the last element of an unfolded path, put an object to fold it. What was the object? Folded paths push prefix path 0 entries. But I have no more information, so I can just do hide. And be done. Okay. If it's not included, I can do it instead of like that. If it's less than 3, you just add it. Yeah, but how do you know if it was less than 3 if you keep on incrementing it? Silly. Ah, because I decremented only for the ones that are included there. Yeah, so if I decremented only for the ones that were, yeah, then in this case it's always fixed. No, but then I need to decrement them. I guess for the other one I can just still delete it as I was doing before. And this would be the else. Chuck Moore would be very angry at my nested conditionals there. But does it work? Wait, I need to account for that object, right? Yeah. Path, what was it? Fold. Why prefix? It's a path, really. Fold. Well, not high, it would be fold. Expand and fold. This one doesn't do anything yet, but it will do soon. I can just filter out prefix. This will work. Wow, it worked. I need to make those calls mute, otherwise we're gonna go nuts. Where is the mute call? Yeah. We can add the mute here, which is important. Oh, true. Yeah, we need a mute. So if we clean up the dialog a little bit, because it's a bit of a mess. No dialogue, okay. And now it's mute, right? Why doesn't it work anymore? It did work. It's a bit clunky. Ah, this one. It's not working. So there's an issue just with clipboard 405. It's like the last element refuses to go away. Oh yeah, because if I put something to empty, interesting. So if I do this and then follow this one, it will work. But the last one, I cannot, because I need to delete it really. That's interesting. When you set something to empty, it's not, yeah, if I remember correctly. This is, how was it? You know what, I'm gonna close the editor because it's driving me mad. Technical difficulties, please stand by. Okay, now. Yeah, okay, so we're back. Cell.js, no, I need cell, I need a client now. Yeah, but I want to look at cell when I put. Yeah, so where is it put? Because an empty thing, I guess if I put it as that would be interesting actually. If expanded length is 0, expanded empty text. Well, if I don't start a server, okay, let's go back. Now it worked. And expanded is empty. Nice. Okay. Yeah, that did work. Okay, now I need to hide expanded from the list. Where did I do that? Okay, we are starting to get somewhere. You know what we call? If you click on any of this, it hides it as well. Click, instead of having to do this, drag. So we're the leftmost, yeah. Yeah, let's do it. So where am I? Data grid, blah blah blah. I think I can just do it unconditionally. But just on the first one, because that's very arbitrary. It would be fold, okay. Yeah. of course not K. Fold silly fold path. No, wait. Element. Fold path. There. Yes. I need to make it on bar first. Yes, that's a 1 on purpose. Would be pointer. The redrawing feels clunky or slow. I guess that's because I implemented the library. Yeah, but this is very practical. I can already click, 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 click until I get the keyword in here. Yeah. Maybe it shouldn't be 3, it should be 5. But it's okay. We can change that later. Okay, we did it. And the quick search at the top. This is location, all needs to go stat. I mean, give me some maybe that. No, 5 is way too much. 3, yeah, that's good. Okay, this is better. Yeah, this one is pretty good. I think this one we can delete, to be honest. The friend card tree we can also. This one should work already. This is broken. Friend card tree. It has a dialogue, yeah. This one can go. This one friend cat table. Look at that. Yeah, this is a really good one. I like this one. House card book. Yeah, it's the one with civilization 2 data. Look at that, how it's already compressed. Interesting. That's the name. I can delete this stuff here. I love how I can just edit the file and then refresh and have it there. It's already very doable. clicking on it to compact is critical. It was a great feature to add. Okay, the quick search at the top. So I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna add an input here. Interesting, that's all in the data space, right? What's not in the data space? Sorry, I'm just jumping a little bit. The current call I'm sending and what is loading. Okay, those belong outside of the data space, I agree. But the rest belong inside the data space. All the state inside. The text area, interesting. Yeah, maybe we need a text area. Yeah, I don't need it to be like this. I can just do view cell. But do I want to pass a path to it? I guess I do, but no. If B0 is search, search is V1, we assume it's just one thing, and now just return. And then when I set search, actually do I need it there? Yeah, I'm setting a value there in the reactive object of the library. I'm not sure if I want that. Do I want it? Maybe. Maybe I want it, yeah. No, wait. Because it's gonna be in the data space, right? So I honestly don't need to put it outside of the data space. I will just do something like search. Something like this. And we have the search there in the data space. And the event search, I'm gonna stay there where I am. I'm gonna set search to path 0. Yes, they're also called paths in my library. That's where the idea came from. Yeah. Talk about an indirect approach. And so we have there the search. Yeah. Yes. Okay, if it's undefined. Oh, what's your problem here? Is that it? Okay. This is the full. Now for the good part. Did it work? Yeah, no, it didn't work. Almost there. 71. Yeah, sorry. Path is there. Full. And now. Okay, why is it that? Because I have to pass it as a row and right there. Search. I guess I have to do it like this. It's limitations of my library. Yeah, sorry about that. And here, I don't need to do this anymore, I believe. I guess I can just leave it there. Now, did it work? Or not? Okay, I'm trying to get tired of this thing. Because these values, I think, for an input, yeah. Is it even firing? No, it's not firing at all. This search. Oh yeah, because it's. Okay, now. Still doesn't work. Okay, finally. And there it is. Good. So now what I want to do is highlight it in the search. How do I highlight it? Basically, I need to take all the matches that partially match folded. So if fold, okay. So I already fold the stuff. But no, I need to do this before folding, right? Yeah. And unfold when I find something, I guess, to that, yeah. How to unfold when I find something. For now, I think I can just play dumb here. And something like search match for the I have no concept of search here. And then what's the ball for tachyons? B. I guess it would be even better to do it per element. And do this. Can do U-tur, yeah. It works, but it's too subtle. And then underline, perhaps. U-tur. Underline. Very unsettled. Okay, and if there's no okay, why is the empty text? Why? I already did this. It should be empty. Ah, but I am getting something. It's just empty, right? Yeah, I guess I have to fix it again. This paths2.js. No, if you give me one, yeah. How is this possible? Let me just debug the internal part. We're almost there, huh? Yeah, an empty. So if that's it, yeah, I'm aware of a typo. Path to JS. Why? This should give. This is driving me nuts. Now it's working. Why? It's the same code. Ah, whoops. It was me. Never mind. Yeah, why did I think it was a good idea to have an empty array there? That was stupid. I don't even remember typing it. Dynamics, so I need to be case insensitive here. I would say match I would say search length greater than 2, something like that. A, B, C. ID, or ID would be much. ID. Okay, there's plenty of room for improvement there, but we're starting to get somewhere. With that, we're going to stop, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.